Alex Falase-Koya. I'm author of Marv and the Ultimate Superpower, which is illustrated by Falase. It's a World Update book. Marv and the Blizzard Zone is another book in the Marv series. Marv is about a little boy who discovers a super suit in his granddad's attic, and the super suit is powered by kindness and imagination. And when he puts the suit on, it allows him to go head to head with the supervillains who are attempting to ruin the day. This book series that I work on, which is written with Marcus Rashford, illustrated by Monte Kissy, and it's called The Breakfast Club Adventures. That's the series name, the boarding school specifically. And that is about a boy called Marcus who ends up joining a mysterious group at school called the Breakfast Club Investigators. And they end up investigating all sorts of mysteries at their school, which may or may not have monsters involved. That's me. I'm here to give you my top tip for enjoying reading. One of my top tips is picking a book that really excites you, that really sets off your imagination, really makes you enthusiastic about reading it. I think that's one of the things that really helps me read. And also, another top tip I would give that I've been doing recently is listening to an audiobook. Sometimes it can be hard to find the time to sit down and read a book, but listening to an audiobook sometimes can be quite useful. What is my favorite place to read? My favorite place to read, honestly, is my bed. I know that is a little bit of a weird answer, but I think that's because my bed is so warm, cozy, and it's winter right now. And also, I think one of the reasons I really enjoy my bed is because my little cats will come over and give me a cuddle when I'm in my bed. So, yeah.
I'm here today to talk to you about children's books that I've read in the last year, which I liked. And one of them is The City of Stolen Magic by Nazneen Ahmed Pathak, which is here. And it is an amazing book, a book about a little girl called Trumper, whose home is attacked and her mum is kidnapped, and now she has some amazing but dangerous magical powers, and it is about her coming to London and trying to see if she can find her mother. Yeah, it's a really interesting book, really deep themes. It speaks on colonialism. I really enjoy this book.
And here's one of them. It's called The Spook's Apprentice by the late Joseph Delaney. And it is a book about a boy called Thomas, who is the seventh son of a seventh son, which means that he ends up having to work underneath what's called a spook, which is almost like a supernatural, somebody who deals with supernatural things, basically, like witches and ghosts. And it's a little bit scary, but I just love the adventure of Thomas having to learn how to deal with these supernatural scary things that go bump in the dark. One of them is The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. And it is this really interesting classic about a little boy in the desert from another planet who a pilot discovers. It is quite surreal, quite funny, also really interesting and philosophical. I think it's an amazing book. Yeah, The Little Prince. Another one for you, Peggy the Always Sorry Penguin, Penguin Pigeon, by Wendy Medor and Carmen Saldana. And it is about a little pigeon called Peggy, who is always getting the short end of the stick, always having to say sorry, who begins to learn that they need to stick up for themselves a little bit. I love the pictures in this picture book, and I found it very, very funny. And I have a soft spot for pigeons because I'm from London, a place which is filled with pigeons. Pigeons, be nice to pigeons, okay? Yeah, so Peggy the Always Sorry Pigeon. Pigeon.
And I'm going to talk to you about Amari and the Night Brothers by B.B. Alston. Really fun book. I really enjoyed this. It's almost like a mix of, it's like a secret society of magic that this girl called Amari discovers exists and discovers might have something to do with her brother's disappearance, and she now has to enter this world and see if she can find her brother, and find out what happened to him. I found this a lot of fun, filled with adventure and amazing magic. Please do give it a go. See you later.